Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 32-inch smart TV, and today I'll show you how to change date and time settings. So to get started, we'll need to go into the settings. From there, scroll down to System, select Timer, and then you will have time zone, so you can change the time zone if you want to. As you can see right here, you can go into the clock. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, it will set it automatically and set the auto synchronization. So if you want to alter it, you will need to disable it right here, and from there you can change the date, as you can see. So basically select it and press the number that you want to, and the time same way. So first, as you can see, like so, and that's about it. So that is how you change the date and the time settings. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.